This is the Instantpot Shami Kabob, or high protein ground beef and lentil patties. I am making these with ground beef to make it faster and easier. In an Instant Pot, I am adding 2 pounds of lean ground beef and about half a cup of washed split chickpeas. They don't need to be soaked. And to that, I'm adding ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. And everything should be ground up so that it's incorporated and it doesn't come in your mouth later. I did add about half a cup of water and cooked it on high pressure for about 15 minutes. Let the steam out naturally, and then you want to mash everything down. Now I know this doesn't have the same texture as traditional shami kebab, but it's still a very decent alternative in terms of flavor. So as you can see, I smashed it down. I also sauteed it a little bit so that I can get the mixture to be as dry as possible. Then I took them out in a bowl, added some mint, coriander, and some diced up onions. Now I really don't like coriander. I don't like the smell or the taste of it, but it is a must in the shami kebab recipe. So before adding the egg, you do want to taste it and make sure that it is perfectly seasoned. It's a good time to check for salt. And then you want to mix in the egg and check that it's binding and turn them into patties. These are super freezer friendly. I just lay them out in a pan like this on parchment paper, and then once it's all frozen, they can go into a Ziploc bag and sit in your freezer until you need them. Of course, you can make them any shape or size that you like. After I made some kid friendly versions, I did add in some green chilies to the rest of the mixture and made some spicy patties as well. And then I shallow fried them in a pan. You can also air fry them. And I like having these with chapati and some green chutney. My kids also enjoy them as burger alternatives on a burger bun with ketchup and mayo. I love that these are packed with proteins and packed with flavors. They are super meal prep friendly. They are absolutely the perfect thing to have in your freezer.